a few hits with Moroccan Oil brand and a couple of I thought I'd include this tiny comparison in here. Oh my god, stay as far away. Hola gente, what is up my badass angels? Welcome to our little bubble in the internet where we test out hair care for the very first time on camera, and then we decide together what works and what doesn't. As you can probably guess by the title, today is the turn of Moroccan oil treatment. So this is kind of a living type of treatment, not kind of, it is a living type of treatment. It has been out for a while, even long-term users keep raving about it. It promises to give our hair manageability, shine, and long-term deep conditioning without weighing it down. Why haven't I tried this before? And like most Moroccan oil products, it contains argan oil. Even though it's super confusing that it's called Moroccan oil and then it has supposedly argan oil, so it's like it is the same thing. So let's open this. I feel that for a hair oil, this is a good size. We get 100 mils or 3.4 fluid ounces of product, and it comes with a pump. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good pump. So it says to apply a small amount of product throughout damp or dry hair. Clearly today we're going to test it out on damp hair, and then it says style as usual. So those are the steps we're going to take. The one thing I want to complain about is how much exactly is a small amount. There's some air in the pump. Oh, there it comes out. Okay, so this is one pump. I'm going to very quickly spread it throughout. And I just decided I want to go with a second pump for this other side. So before we move on to styling, I wanted to go into the Sephora site. This has 4.6 out of 5 stars. 888 people gave it 5 stars out of 1094 reviews. I have been using this for 5 years and I love it. I can't believe it. Knockups of these serums simply do not compare. Not hype, worth every penny. Then there's another one that says she loves the way it smells. Kind of like that it is gentle and definitely not overpowering, but it's not something that I go, oh my god. One of my friends the other day was like, I have been using the Moroccan oil treatment for 10 years and I absolutely adore it. You know, this is a very loved product. I do wonder if I will agree. I find it extremely expensive. We all worked so hard for our money. Then again, there's a smaller bottle that I should have probably purchased myself because it doesn't require as much commitment to a new product that you haven't tested before. I mean, for $44 US, I want tons of frizz control. Definitely silky, smooth to the touch hair would be amazing, and I would really like not to feel any product on my hair. So let's go ahead and see if expectations actually match reality. Enchanté. Voila. Alright, so let's look at this really quick and really scrutinize the final result so that I can give you guys the scoop on this, or at least my personal opinion. I do have a few flyaways. Made the brush of my hot tools really glide through my hair. Obviously it's an oil, right? And if you ask me, it just makes sense that anything that would do that will prevent breakage. Okay, this feels soft and smooth. I totally see the shine here. Definitely gave me the frizz control, which I love. So this reminds me so much of the final result I got from the Moroccan Oil Hydrating mask. Love that hair mask. And I feel that anyone that loves that mask is definitely going to love the Moroccan oil treatment. I mean, let's face it, sometimes we just don't have the time to apply a hair mask and really deep condition our hair. So this can come really handy. You just apply it on your hair, you don't have to rinse it off, and we still get that deep conditioning action. That said, I do have 2 or 3 cons to mention to you guys. If you are a silicone-free babe, stay as far away as you can from this product. Loaded with silicones. The first two ingredients are silicones. The first one is cyclomethicone and the second one is dimethicone. The third one is argan oil. So it does have quite a bit of argan oil indeed. Now, silicones are a very controversial topic. People feel very strongly either for silicones or against them. So we have talked extensively about silicones on many videos. I am not going to go too deep into that. When I brought this up to my friend who has been using this product for 10 years, she told me this product actually helped her grow her hair, that she loves it, that it's the best thing that ever happened to her, and it's the one product that never changes on her hair routine, and she has gorgeous hair. It is absolutely true that silicones do tend to build up. If I make sure that I use a clarifying shampoo at least every couple weeks to really reset my hair, I haven't found additional damage. And the other thing is, of course, frequency. I try to use any products containing silicones a little bit more sporadically, not every single day. So far, I believe I have found some type of balance. The other con I wanted to mention, I couldn't find anywhere that said that this is also a heat protectant. Whereas other oils that I've tried, such as the OLAPLEX No7 bonding oil, is also a heat protectant. These two combined, OLAPLEX No7 bonding oil with the OLAPLEX No6, give me an unbelievable sealed effect. But for that, I do need to use these two mixed up. So in that sense, this is pricey. But then again, these two really add up. These are a very expensive too. And FYI, they also contain dimethicone, but then again, there's also in here the secret formulation by Olaplex that really help unbreak those broken bonds in our hair, and that is not something that the Moroccan oil would do for you. So differently, these belong to two separate worlds. This one works more from the inside out, but I thought I'd include this tiny comparison in here because I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some questions about my thoughts on how these two compare. And I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say about the Moroccan oil treatment. Hi, Heidi from the future here. 2 hours after application, my hair started to look like very frizzy, and I was not pleased at all. So these are not very long-lasting results. However, once I reapplied on top of already blow-dried hair, I saw a significant reduction in that. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that overall it worked a lot better as a kind of leave-in or finishing oil than as a treatment, at least on my hair. So yeah, just wanted to make sure I included this to be 100% honest with what happened to me. Let me know in the comments below if you'd had a different experience with this brand. Remember that we all make this review together, so the more the merrier. Every single product used and mentioned throughout this video is going to be listed and linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support if you decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos. If this video helped you or at least entertained you, please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. It is absolutely free, so why not? Thank you so much for being here, for putting up with me, and like I always say, no matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a badass with the heart of an angel. And I will catch up with you guys again on my next one. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?